Very good morning, students. Those who are still getting into the class, सबको very very good morning and a very sunny morning. बड़ा sunny है ना आज? ठंड भाग रही है. Yes, it's sunny day. So and we love. अभी के समय में we love the sun. Okay. So students, this Sunday you have got your science and SST test, weekly test, and for that portion for science is lesson 1 and 2. Since we are doing the revision, हम लोग revisions कर रहे हैं from lesson 1 to lesson 10. तो हमारा आज का portion है, आज का test जो है, हम लोगों ने कल revision questions के quiz किए थे, question answers किए थे, marking दिया था हम लोगों ने on the short question answers. आज हम लोग बड़े question answer का revision करेंगे, okay? No short questions, long questions होंगे और हम इसमें lesson 1, 2, 3 तीनों का revision करेंगे. But your portion for Sunday test is lesson 1 and lesson 2. तो जिनके भी अभी भी कुछ बच्चे हैं ऐसे कि मैम 1 का लेसन भूल गए, 1 का भूल गया है, तो वो टेक द हेल्प ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड गेट इट क्लियर. ओके, सो आज पूरा सनी डे है इसलिए क्विज भी जो है वो एकदम साफ सुथरा सा है. नो क्लाउड एट ऑल, है ना? अभी मुझे आनिद्या नहीं दिख रही है क्लास में. व्हाट इज द मैटर? वेयर इज शी? Anindya, are you there? If you're there, just raise your hand. I cannot see you. Oh, yes, I saw you. चलो, मिल गया आप मुझे. Okay, so Anindya, lower your hands, please. Good. So we'll start the quiz. We'll start the question answers, the long question answers. The very first question for 4A is, Utsav Dev is there now? Utsav, raise your hand. Utkash, sorry. Utsav Rathore, yes, he is there. Okay. Utsav, कल का winners का नाम बता दो एक बार. कल के winners का नाम बता दो.
मैम 4B और 4E.
4B and 4E. और पहले था 4A and 4C. अब तो कौन विनर नहीं बना है अब तक? 4D. आस्था, नाउ आपके ऊपर कंधे पे भार है, बिकॉज 4A बन गया विनर एक दिन, 4B और 4E बन गया. 4D
मैम 4A 2 टाइम्स बन चुका है मैम. सबसे पहले में 4A.
हाँ, तो 4D. आस्था, दक्ष, कौशिकी, क्या कर रहे हो बच्चे लोग? थोड़ा सा जागो, जागो बच्चे, जागो. ओके, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर क्लास 4A. उत्सव, म्यूट करेंगे बेटा अपने आप को.
ओके मैम, प्लीज वेट.
That's better. Okay. 4A, name the different types of teeth present in the mouth and also mention their functions. Different types of teeth present in the mouth and also mention the functions. Ayush Kumar 4A ने हाथ उठाया है, पहला हाथ, तो he will be asked the question. Okay, बोलो आयुष.
मैम क्वेश्चन.
हाय, तू बिना सोचे हाथ उठा दिया, ऐसा कैसे होता है?
नो मैम, मैंने सुना था मैम, एक बार और बोलिए तो मैम.
Okay, so the question is,
लास्ट का
name the different types of teeth present in the mouth. Write their functions as well.
different types of teeth present in our mouth are incisors. They are front flat teeth. They are used for cutting purpose.
Okay.
Canines. They are present at the either side of incisors. They are used for tearing purpose. Bold and grooved teeth. They are used for grinding purpose.
We have got 3 sets of teeth: incisors, canines, molars, and premolars. Incisors are the front teeth used for cutting purpose. Canines are the side teeth, pointed teeth. They are used for the tearing purpose. And molars and premolars are the broad back teeth. They are used for grinding purpose. Absolutely the right answer. 2 points for 4A. Okay, 4B. Listen to the question carefully. 4B. Mute kari. Very good for it. 4B. Why is it important to chew the food properly? Why is it important to chew the food properly? अभी पहला हाथ उठाया शानवी राज का, तो she will be asked question. शानवी बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए आंसर दीजिए.
There
Hey, wait. शानवी, wait. You are in 4C. मैंने बार बार कहा है कि आप सेक्शन वाइज हाथ उठाएं. The question is for 4B. The first hand raised by is Priyesh Ranjan. चलो प्रियेश बोलो.
it is important to chew the food properly for proper functioning of food.
हाँ.
It is important to chew the food for proper functioning of our body.
Samiksha, give this answer. Samiksha, give this answer.
It is important to chew the food properly for proper digestion of food.
Proper functioning नहीं है बेटा. Proper digestion of food. Proper digestion of food. Okay, so 1 marks for you all. Four C. Why is washing of fruits and vegetables important for us? अब ये बहुत important question है. 4C. किसी ने अभी तक नहीं. हाँ yes. I can see Amar Dubey and Karthik Sinha. वो Amar Dubey का हाथ पहले उठाए. Amar Dubey will give the chance. Amar बोलो. बोलो.
Washing of fruits and vegetables are important for us because unwashed fruits and vegetables can carry germs of diseases which can cause vomiting and other stomach ailments.
Okay, आंसर सही है, बट थोड़ा फास्ट बोल गए इसलिए थोड़ा समझने में दिक्कत हुई. फिर से एक बार बोल दो मुझे आंसर. Washing of fruits and vegetables are important for us because if we consume the unwashed fruits or vegetables, the germs may get inside our body and may cause stomach ailments. Stomach नहीं है, stomach ailments, है ना? Okay, so it's again a right answer.
Yes, ma'am.
4D. बाकी बच्चे अपने आप को म्यूट करो, हाथ नीचे करो. 40. Sheena's mother often tell her not to eat too many sweets and chocolates. Why do you think she says so? कौशी का हाथ उठा है 4D से. आदर्श का हाथ उठा है 4D से. कौशिकी पहले जवाब दो. पहला हाथ तुम्हारा था. Even श्रेया चंद्रा और आशा ने भी उठाया है. Okay, very good. चलो बोलो. कौशिकी.
Tina mother says so because if the chocolate or sweets are left on the teeth for long, they can cause tooth decay.
Okay, right answer. Asna, was she right? Was she right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, she is right. If Tina's mother often tells her not to eat too many sweets and chocolates because if these are left on a tooth for a long period of time, they can cause tooth decay, right? Shreya Chandra को चश्मा लग गया. ओहो, विटामिन A deficiency है ना? क्या ये विटामिन A deficiency है या विटामिन C deficiency है? शानवी, चश्मा लगना, eyesight, poor eyesight, कौन सी deficiency है?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन सी deficiency है?
Ma'am, A.
अरे वाह, very good. Okay.
Ma'am, A.
So D also gets the right 2 points. E. The question is for E. E के बच्चे ध्यान दे रहे हैं. 5 good habits that should be taken care of while taking or eating food. 5 good habits that should be taken care of while eating food. आनित्य का हाथ सबसे पहला आया है. उसके बाद सूर्यांश, उसके बाद अदिति, फिर आराध्या वर्मा, फिर आयुष कुमार. चलो, तो पहले आनित्य से हाथ आए हैं तो मैं उसको बता दूं. बाकी बच्चे kindly lower your hands. बोल. बोलिए.
One should wash their hands before eating, and one should chew the food properly for the proper digestion. One should not speak while eating. One should eat a balanced diet, and one should eat 8 to 10 glasses of water every day.
अच्छा, अनित्य हम लोग one should eat, हम लोग चबा चबा के पानी पिएंगे.
No, ma'am.
तुमने कहा one should eat at least 8 to 10 glass of water. तो मुझे आज पानी देना और मैं खूब चबाऊंगी and then I'll eat it. One should drink.
Ma'am, one should eat 8 to 10. Ma'am, one should drink.
Yes.
Ma'am, one should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day.
चलो, यही आंसर मैं आपको मैंने full marks दिया. You get full marks, but same answer I want it from Aradhya Verma. Aradhya Verma. चलो, let's see. Aradhya Verma, जल्दी बोलो. five habits, good habits that should be taken care of while at a time of taking food. Bolo.
Don't speak while chewing food.
Good.
Ma'am, drink 8 to 10 glass of water every day.
Okay.
Chewing the food very clear.
इसका मतलब आराध्या आपने जो हाथ उठाया था यू वर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट. अगर मैंने आपको कुछ पूछा होता पहला तो आपकी तो नैया डूब जाती फोरी की. आपको 5 और 5 गुड हैबिट्स. आपके अच्छे 5 गुड हैबिट्स क्या होने चाहिए? यू शुड ऑलवेज वॉश योर हैंड्स बिफोर ईटिंग. यू शुड च्यू द फूड प्रॉपर्ली. यू शुड ड्रिंक एटलीस्ट 8 to 10 ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. यू शुड ईट अ बैलेंस्ड डाइट. यू शुडंट स्पीक व्हाइल ईटिंग. हो गया पांचों. हम 5 चीज जो करते हैं वो कर देंगे. ओके. नाउ 4A for you. आराध्या
Okay, ma'am.
म्यूट करो और अपने हैंड्स लोअर. 4A. State the two main functions of root. 4A. State the two main functions of root. 4A के अभी तक किसी बच्चे ने हाथ नहीं उठाया है. 4A. Nobody has raised the hand right now. Nobody. ऐसे possible है? 4A. Two functions of root. Okay, Sakshi. Okay. ले दे रहा है, दुरुस्त है. चलो साक्षी बोल. 4 functions, 2 state functions of root. साक्षी अनम्यूट करो. बोलो.
The two functions of root are first roots absorb water and minerals for the plant. Second, some roots are eaten as vegetables.
Two main functions of root. ध्यान रहे, हमने कोई स्पेशल फंक्शंस नहीं बोला. मैंने कहा व्हाट इज द टू मेन फंक्शंस ऑफ रूट. फिर से बोलो.
Root absorb water and minerals for the plant. Root hold the plant upright in the soil.
It is the right answer. Yes, the two main functions of root are absorption and fixation. It absorbs the water and mineral from the soil, and it fixes the plant straight into the soil. So two main functions of roots are absorption and fixation. Very good. Yeah, it is the right answer. पहले बार में तुम गड़बड़ा गई थी. Okay. 4B. In what way are the roots of banyan tree and maize special? In what way are the roots of banyan tree and maize special? हमें यहाँ पे प्रियेश का हाथ दिख रहा है, उत्सव राठौर का हाथ दिख रहा है. 4B के किसी और बच्चे का हाथ नहीं है. अमन कुमार, वेरी गुड. वंशिका, अमन, आदर्श. 4D के तो नहीं पूछ रहे हैं. अमन कुमार, चलो जवाब. म्यूट. हाँ, अनम्यूट करो. बोलो. अमन बोलिए. अमन आप अनम्यूटेड हैं बेटा. Okay, I cannot give chance to Aman because his video is off. So the question goes to Vanshika was there. अभी हाथ उठाया था 4B. 4B के मार्क्स कम गए. आकांक्षा वर्मा 4B. Okay, आकांक्षा वर्मा 4B. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में आवाज जवाब नहीं आई, इसीलिए सेकंड अटेम्प्ट हम दे रहे हैं. अमन कुमार की अभी तक वीडियो ऑन है, फिर जवाब नहीं दे रहा है. अमन कुमार. आकांक्षा वर्मा, चलो अनम्यूट करो. बोलो. बोलो, आपका वीडियो क्यों ऑफ हो गया आकांक्षा? वेट, पहले वीडियो ऑन करो. आप आकांक्षा वर्मा. आकांक्षा वर्मा पहले अपना वीडियो ऑन करो. अभी आपका वीडियो ऑन था, आपने वीडियो ऑफ कर लिया, आपसे क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछे जाएंगे. फिर वीडियो ऑन कीजिए. ओके, बोलो. In what way are the roots of banyan tree and maize special? 4B, I cannot give you so much of time. 4B. चलो उत्सव बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
The
Some roots of some roots are eaten. Some roots.
क्या हो गया आप लोग को? अमन कुमार again has raised her hand. बोलो. बोलो अमन. अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को.
No, I think 10 marks for 4B.
Okay. So the question shall not be asked to anybody. Samiksha has raised his hand. Chalo. Samiksha bolo.
In banyan tree and maize, some root grow downwards from his at some root grow downward. In maize, many root arising base of the stem.
Chalo. Priyesh.
The banyan trees, the roots of banyan trees are grow from the downwards and the roots of maize are starting from his base because they need more support to
Okay, students, you will not be given any marks. 4B, you will be getting 0 because you were not able to answer this question. The answer is like this. The roots of banyan and maize are special because there are some roots which hang from the branches of the tree. They hang from the branches and rose towards the ground to give support to the plant.
so
To give
special.
support to the plant. आस्था क्या बोल रही हो? तो muted हो, unmuted हो. Okay. Okay, so you get 0 marks. Sorry. Next, 4C. 4C. What do you understand with the word seasonal flower? Give 2 examples of it. 4D. 2 examples of seasonal flowers. Adarsh Kumar, Pratik Kumar Mishra. Okay, 4C. Sorry, it's for 4C. 4C. The question is for 4C. Kartik Sana. Pratik Mishra. Pratik Mishra, bolo.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by the term seasonal flower?
Seasonal flower is that flower that's bloom in fixed period.
Okay.
Examples: winter flower, dahlia, and chrysanthemum.
Chrysanthemum, yes. And next,
Summer flowers, sadabahar and motia.
very good. The plants that grow in some particular season, or the flowers that bloom in some particular season, are said to be the seasonal flower. Chrysanthemum and dahlia, they are the winter flower. Sadabahar and rose rose to nahi. And motia, they are the summer flowers. Okay, right. So 4C gets 2 marks. The question is for 4D. 2 uses of fruits. 2 uses of fruits. 4D. 4D. आस्था से मैंने पूछ लिया है. आदर्श, चलो बोलो. बाकी बच्चे हाथ नीचे करो. बाकी बच्चे lower your hands please. बोलो. आदर्श अनम्यूट करेंगे बेटा अपने आप को. नहीं, आदर्श का हाथ रेज नहीं. सॉरी. Shreyash, unmute yourself. 2 uses of fruits.
Please repeat.
2 uses of fruits. Shreyash.
Fruits are used for make fruit salad and fruits are used for make custard.
The fruits are used for making custard. Fruits are used for making pickles, jams, jellies, marmalades, etc. So these are the main 2. And the first use is that the fruits they are used in summer or fruits give us nutrition. This is the major use of this fruit. Okay. Next. 4D, you get 2 marks. 4E. 4E, it's 4E. 5 lines about flowers. 5 lines about flowers. 4E, आने दे प्रदर्शी का हाथ पहले उठ गया. उसके बाद किसी का उठा, राधिका रंजन, चलो राधिका बोलो। 5 uses of flower. राधिका रंजन अनम्यूट करो। कोई अनम्यूटेड है? राधिका रंजन, उत्सव राठौर बात हो रही है आपकी तरफ से, म्यूट कीजिए अपने आप को। राधिका रंजन बोलो। बोलिए
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए।
Ma'am, we use flour for making colors.
Okay, can you name those flowers?
Ma'am, marigold and zania.
Good. Number 2.
Ma'am, we use flowers for making perfume, jasmine, and
Rose. Number 2. Number 3.
rose.
Number 3.
Ma'am, we use flour as medicine. Indica and clove.
Number 4. Flowers used as
Medicine.
हो गया, और बताओ। सूर्यांश, क्वेश्चन इज फॉर यू। चलो, आधा राधिका ने बताए हैं, जो मार्क्स आधे हो गए। निध्या
Yes.
चल पटक रही है, जल्दी बोलो।
Is flower developed from bird.
नहीं, uses of flower, uses of flower, uses of flower.
Use
Flowers,
flower. It used as a medicine. It also used for medicine.
हो चुका है, राधिका ने
Cloves
बता,
and
राधिका ने बता लिया। Flowers are used as vegetables, कचनार, banana, etc. Flowers are used as
flowers are used as
सोचो, आपने क्या याद किया? बोलो बोलो, बोल रहे थे सूर्यांश। The flowers, some flowers are used for decoration purpose. Flowers used for decoration purpose. Flowers are used for making colors, marigold, zinnia. Flowers are used for making medicines, arnica, clove, etc. Some flowers are used for making cosmetics, and some flowers are used as vegetables. मैंने पांचों एकदम तुरंत बताया। Anita is feeling very bad. No problem. Again, you get 1 marks. Third round हम लोग थोड़ा फास्ट करेंगे because तब ये खत्म हो पाएगा। थर्ड राउंड आज थोड़े दुखी हो रहे हैं सारे कोई, बिकॉज सभी ने छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन याद किए थे, बड़े वाले क्वेश्चन सबने छोड़े थे। हाँ, तो पकड़ में आ गए। ओके, 4A, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द टर्म डाइजेशन? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द टर्म डाइजेशन? तो हाथ नीचे करो, मुझे किसी सभी के हाथ ऊपर दिख रहे हैं। लोअर योर हैंड्स प्लीज। 4A, एक भी बच्चा नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे साक्षी के अलावा। साक्षी से मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया है, सो आई विल वेट फॉर सम अदर स्टूडेंट टू रेज द हैंड। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डाइजेशन? अनुरा, आदित्य कुमार मिश्रा। ओके, आदित्य कुमार मिश्रा कहाँ चला गया अब? 4A, आयुष और साक्षी के अलावा किसी का हाथ नहीं है। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डाइजेशन? कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं तो अब मुझे उससे पूछना पड़ेगा। बोलो आयुष, अनम्यूट करो।
Digestion, yes, ma'am. Digestion is a process by which the complex material of food is broken into a simpler form.
Digestion is the process of breaking down the food, breaking down the complex material of the food into its simplest form, right? Absolutely right. 4B, 4B. Mute करेंगे अपने आप को। What happens to the food when it enters into the stomach? 4B. What happens to the food when it enters into the stomach? 4B, मुझे कोई बच्चा दिख नहीं रहा है। वंशिका शर्मा, yes. समीक्षा is also there. वंशिका, चलो, ये 2-4 बच्चे जवाब दे रहे हैं। What happens to the food when it enters into the stomach?
When the food enters the stomach, it get mixed with some digestive juices produced by the walls of stomach. Here the food gets partially digested.
Very good, excellent answer. एकदम सही जवाब है। When the food enters into the stomach, it stays there for 3 to 4 hours and it gets partially digested by the juice secreted by the walls of stomach. Right answer, 4B, you get full marks. 4C, 4C. How many sets of teeth, not type, how many sets of teeth are formed during one's lifetime? Can you name them? 4C. साक्षी, अक्षर, चलो अक्षर, पहला हाथ अक्षर का है, फिर साक्षी का, फिर कार्तिक का, आकृति थापा भी है, वेरी गुड, भूमि थी, anyways.
There are two types of teeth. Permanent teeth. Permanent teeth are appear of the age of 6 to 12. They are 32 in number. Milk teeth.
Permanent teeth,
Milk teeth.
फिर से बोलो.
Permanent teeth. Permanent teeth are 32 in number. They
Okay.
are appear at the age of 6 year to the 12 year.
Yeah.
Milk teeth are appear at the age of 6 months and fallen down into 6 to 8 years. Milk teeth in 20 numbers.
Okay, we have got two sets of teeth. I want the same answer from Bhumi. Bhumi, I want the answer. You'll be getting the full marks. Don't worry about it. But Bhumi, give the right answer in a proper way. Chalo, Bhumi, bolo. How many sets of teeth are formed during one's lifetime? Bolo.
2 sets of teeth are formed during one's lifetime. First, permanent teeth. Second, milk teeth. Permanent teeth are 32 in numbers. They are appeared in the age of 6 to 12. Second, milk teeth are 20 in numbers. They appeared in the age of 6 months to 8 years.
Okay, we have got two sets of teeth in our mouth. Permanent teeth and milk teeth. Permanent teeth appear at the milk teeth appear at the age of 6 months. They are 20 in numbers, whereas permanent teeth, when milk teeth falls, they are taken place by the permanent teeth. They are 32 in numbers and they start appearing from the age of 8 years. Right answer. Okay, next. 4D. The question is for 4D. भूमि म्यूट करो अपने आप को, राधिका रंजन म्यूट करो. म्यूट करेंगे. उत्सव, राधिका, अक्षत, आपकी आवाज आ रही है. Adarsh 4D. Okay. 4D. Name the organ through which food enters into the stomach. Name the organ through which food enters into the stomach. पहला हाथ आस्था का उठा है, उसके बाद आदर्श, उसके बाद श्रेया चंद्रा, हर्ष 4D. चलो, बहुत दिन के बाद हर्ष ने हाथ उठाया है, तो हम हर्ष से ही क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. हर्ष बोलो. हर्ष बोलो.
मैम मैं अनम्यूट हो गई हूँ.
हर्ष बोलो.
Mouth and food pipe, the organ through which food enters the stomach.
Food pipe, yeah. Food pipe is the right word, and you can get marks
Yes, ma'am.
also on into it. But आप मुझे ये बताएं कि what is the other word for food pipe? Shreya Chandra.
Ma'am, esophagus.
Good, very good. So 2 marks for 4D as well. 4E, the last question of this round. Last question. 4E. Why do aerial roots need to come out of the soil? Why do aerial roots need to come out of the soil? अनिध्या का हाथ उठा है सबसे पहले, उसके बाद आया है नव्या राजपूत का हाथ है. Then I can see 40. बात नहीं. अमृत ओझा, चलो आंसर दो. अमृत ओझा कौन बोल रहा है? Somebody is talking. श्रेयस म्यूट करो अपने आप को.
Ma'am, aerial roots need to come out of the soil because they grow in marshy area and the soil of marshy area has not the amount of oxygen that aerial roots need.
Okay, aerial roots need to come. Some roots need to come out of the soil because the plants that grow in marshy area does not get sufficient oxygen, and so they need to come out of the soil to take the sufficient oxygen from the air. Okay, so after the end of this round, we have got only 2 minutes, so I cannot extend this quiz. After the end of this round, 4A is 6. 4B is 3. Very bad. 4C is 6. 4D is 6. And 4E is 5. So today's winner is 4A, 4C and 4D. अरे 4D ने अपना रिकॉर्ड कर लिया था अपनी. Oh, thank God. Yes, it is 4A, 4C and 4D. So all of you give a clap for these three class. Everybody give a big round of applause for all these three class. Unmute कर लें आप लोग. मैंने unmute किया है आपको. सारे बच्चे give a virtual clap. सारे बच्चे give a virtual clap. आपके स्क्रीन पे भी क्लैप दिखना चाहिए. So that I can take a click. So that I can take a click. Okay, so that I can take a click. Okay, very good. So tomorrow's test on Saturday, Sunday, which the test which is going to be held on Sunday, the portion is only lesson 1 and 2. ध्यान रखेंगे. आपको मैंने revision 3 करवाया है. The portion for Sunday test is lesson 1 and 2. Properly revise करें, बहुत अच्छे से याद करें. Bang 10 on 10 marks लाएं. ठीक है? Okay, students, take a very proper care of yourself. Bye.